Hey, I'm hungry. Anyone want some pizza?
No, fatty.
Hey, you normally would. You like your pepperoni pizza with onions and garlic and chicken and tuna fish and anchovies. You're acting strange. Is that even you?
Get off my face.
I knew it wasn't
Oh,
you.
no.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh no!
This cost me a lot of money to look this good. Anyway, you'll never catch me on my scooter. Wah!
Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here,
That
rude boy.
was awful.
Absolutely dreadful.
I tried to tell him.
That was like ordering a hamburger, but only getting the bun.
You just murdered my favorite song. You stabbed it, kicked it, ripped it open, you killed it.
That was like Dolly Parton on helium.
Oh well, come here, rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, love me, love me, love me. Boy, is you big enough? Take it.